lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day's going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have the November 2020 Boxycharm base box. This is a $25 a month subscription. So if you want to see what I got inside, what variation I got, and my thoughts on the November box, then just keep on watching. All right, so this is the one that I do receive in PR. I usually receive the base box and the premium together, but I only received the base box. So I don't know if I'm going to be getting the premium box or maybe they'll send it out later. I do have my own account, so when that comes in, I will unbox that as well. So let me cut the tape. Okay. So when you open it up, it says, "Hello, Charmer." And then that's what she looks like. It's a little sneak peek. Not too much. All right, what we got here? So the theme for November is harvest. And then on the back tells you what everything is. And I have variation 40. All right. And then, what is this? Oh, a little card here that when you do receive this, when they do gift it to you, then it just says that you have to say that you got it, you know, that they gave it to you. All right, so the first thing that I received, and this was one of the spoilers that you could have got, is from Natasha Denona. So this is called the Peak Palette, P-E-A-K, right there. And it's... see what she looks like. I do know what it looks like. I did see some spoilers and I was hoping to get this. Yes. Okay, so this is their 5-pan palette. And like I said, it's called the Peak Palette. All right, how much is this? So $48. Wow. So that's what she looks like. Nice warm tone. These are like my favorite colors. So it's so pretty. All right, let me do a couple swatches. So you have 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. So I've swatched these 3 here. This one will go in with my skin tone, so you won't see that anyway. So those are the 3 colors right there. I just love Natasha Denona's eyeshadows. I'm really thinking like, do I want to buy that Trio Chrome? But it is $129. It's like... Natasha, why couldn't you make the $65 one? So I don't know. All right, and then, oh, almost dropped that puppy. All right, and then this is the shimmer shade right there. And it's like a bronzy color. I actually thought it was going to be lighter, but it actually, when you swatch, it's a little bit darker than what it shows on the pan. But it's very pretty. All right, so I'm definitely excited to get this. All right, so the next thing I got is from Bodyography. So this says eye pencil. It is a 2-pack right there. All right, and this is $16. So that's not too bad if you get 2 of them, so $8 a piece. Let's see. Oh gosh, I hope it's not black. Yes, so one of them's a black color. So we have a brown, what is it called? This says Black Walnuts, and then this is Onyx. So you have like a dark brown and a black. So that will go with the eyeshadow palette. All right, and it's one of the ones that you have to sharpen, which I don't mind because to me it's more sanitary. So that's what the black looks like. It's not like real creamy, but it's not bad. It's not like that hard, you know. And then you have the dark walnut. And that's like a really dark brown. So in person, you can definitely tell them apart. This is like a purpley brown. Very pretty though. All right, so we have that. Yeah, $16. All right, the next thing I got is from Drouet. I never know how to pronounce that. And I don't know if I have anything from this company or not. And this is $17. This is a lip enhancer. What the heck is a lip enhancer? It says infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So it's like a lip balm. And it has one of those, I don't know if I have this up too high. Let's turn you down a little bit. It has one of those, you know, little slanty things. All right. So I'm definitely excited to get this. I love lip balms. Like I have like every room of the house, I have some type of lip balm. All right. So we have 2 more products. So then we have another lip product, which is kind of weird to get when you have 2 different things. So this is a lip oil. And let's see, this is from INT Cosmetics. This is $11. And it's a lip oil. So I do enjoy lip oil. So this is like a tinted one. It's like a orangey red. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh my gosh. Is it taped? Wow, that put a sweat on me. Yeah, it has like a little tape. Let me just see if it's like comes out tinted. Yeah, it's like a very light tinted like cherry color. Very nice. It doesn't feel too sticky. A little sticky, so. Doesn't really have a scent, so that is good. All right, so we have that. All right, let me keep going. All right, and last but not least, I just received this on my Tribe Beauty box. This is Earth Harbor, and this is a serum. I believe this is like $48. Let's see how much it is. Yeah, this is $48. And I do have mine here that I've used for a couple days. So that's what it looks like. I don't want to open this up since I already have this one here. And I had got one before in my like Fashion Still box or my Bella Skin box, and I used it all up. I do enjoy this. So I'm definitely going to keep this because I also suffer from like, you know, skin problems, and it gets worse in the winter time. So I like to use this type of stuff for my hands as well. So I'm glad to get another one since I have tried these before and I do really like it. But this is definitely to wear at nighttime. All right, so let's recap everything that I received in this month's box. So this is from Earth Harbor. This is like a serum right here. So then we have a lip oil from INT Cosmetics, and then from Jouer, this is a lip enhancer. I wish we didn't get 2 lip products. You know, I'm glad. I'd rather be this than lipsticks, but I don't know why they would give you 2 lip products. I don't know, but that's just a personal preference. So then we have 2 eyeliners. So we have the dark brown and then like a black. And then, what else we got? What else? And then we got my favorite, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. So I'll leave right around here what the whole total value came for. And this is a $25 a month subscription. I did get variation 40. So, is this my favorite? No, it's not. You also right here has a 25% off Natasha Denona. And use code NDXBOXY. So, right there, if you want to screenshot that and use it for 25% off. I wonder if this will work on the Trio Chrome. I'm not sure. All right, so, yeah, is this my favorite? No, I'm really glad to get this. Like, I love this so much, and it's definitely my colors. But everything else is like, you know, but I'm not complaining. It was definitely worth $25. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? You know, I did hear that. See, in the beginning, I thought everybody was going to get a Natasha Denona, but now I hear you can either get this or a 1-1 Skin like primer or something else. I don't know. Let me know down below. Did you get your Boxycharm? If you did, what variation you got? And let me know what are your thoughts of the variation that I got. Let me know down below. And when I get mine, I will definitely unbox that and see what kind of items would you get. All right, guys, that is everything. Please like this video because it really does help me out. I do have a giveaway going on right now. I'll leave that down below. Make sure that you turn that post notification bell on, so make sure that you double tap and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my upcoming videos. And I also have a cash giveaway that will be going on this month, so make sure that you have that bell on. And if you like unboxings, mystery boxes, subscription boxes, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. And that's everything, guys. stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.